It's Tuesday, September 12th, 2017. That's the Pacific Ocean. And as a piece of driftwood washing into shore. Time and stamp is, let me find my phone here, 6:51 p.m. We're staying at the Driftwood RV Park on Lower Harbor Road. Now the reason why we're drawing your attention to that, first time we've seen a piece of driftwood drifting in, Patsy's down there somewhere, but the driftwood that has drifted in is massive, huge pieces. Let me just scan down here and show you a little bit. There's enough wood there to take me through the year without wood stove. Okay, Patsy down there on that piece of driftwood. Okay, oh, I did want to get in the scene here. The house is up on a cliff. Let's get there. General vicinity and zoom in. It's a heavy fog. Well, that fog is not, it's pretty much fog, yes, but it's also the smoke from a fire that's burning in the canyon. But those houses there have a commanding view of the Pacific Ocean. All right, so the Pacific's on my back. We're now looking pretty much east. And this is a harbor they created. And what they did is they put massive, huge rocks. They have nobody to stand by these things, but the camera, I guess, is up about 5 feet. And leveling up, we're looking right at that thing about 5 feet. All right, so what goes on is the harbor down there, we have pictures of that. There's 300-400 boats, and a lot of them are commercial, and some of them are crab boats. Well, I wanted to get crabs in the crab house, put on a bib and just keep stuff in your face. And turns out that the commercial crab season is closed until December 1st. We're pulling out of Brookings here tomorrow, and we're going to be in Carson City, Nevada by Sunday. Okay, so that's a full panorama. Back to Patsy down there somewhere. There she is. She walked pretty far away. She's not getting too close to the shoreline there. Alright, I'm getting ready to pop a beer, so let's put this thing on the shore and watch the waves come in. I guess I'm about 35 feet up above the water level. Oh, I'm going to try to get this guy here. Hold on. Before the sun goes too far away, as I said earlier in this video, we're pulling out tomorrow morning. I want to see if I can get a few snapshots and close-ups of these rocks. These white rocks. Now, these are massive, huge stones. That's a Pacific Ocean map up against there. And everything you see in white, if it's visible here through the viewfinder, is not white stone, it's bird crap. Millions and millions and millions and millions of bird crap. There's more. In fact, all that white all the way down the shoreline see if I can get it in here for you. Here's bird crap. Now, I wish there was a ship going by to show you how large they're called jetties, and they're massive. I'm gonna follow this one out there. Oh, we did see a pelican the other day flying past here. Again, everything you see in white, bird crap. And that's the end of that jetty. Yesterday we have a video of a ocean, well, they're all ocean-going boats, but this was an ocean-going fishing boat coming in. And that's what I'm seeing from my vantage point. Look at that. You can see the buoy out. Way out in the distance. Okay, so the sunset, I'll just get a picture of the sunset. And we'll put the thing on live action surf. It's really calm in this harbor entry. You can see there's almost no ripples. We have behind us, facing south, it's going pretty good. And the guy standing by the shoreline down there, oh, that's not a, oh, that's a piece of driftwood somebody put up. We walked past it earlier. A piece of driftwood. Still drifting. Look at how far in and out that water's coming. Wow. Okay, right before we shut this off, we're zooming out and showing you the rest of the driftwood. Guy coming down with his dog. We have a video of a guy who's, we want to call him homeless. No, he's transient true. So we're lighting up some of that driftwood the other day, and the fire department came and got him. Had him put it out. And that's it for this one for a while. That's it for this one forever.